What's going on, guys? It's Kai, and on this channel we're going to be looking at all things that make us money. I upload weekly on this channel, so if you are new, hit that subscribe button. Just letting you guys know I'm not a financial advisor, but everything I bring you is straight facts. So let's jump into the video. We're going to be looking at the penny stock Biolase. The ticker symbol is BIOL. What Biolase is? Biolase Inc. is a medical device company and global market leader in manufacturing and marketing of proprietary dental laser systems that enable dentists and dental specialists to perform a broad range of minimally invasive dental procedures, including cosmetic, restorative, surgical applications. Biolase's laser system are designed to provide clinically superior, patient-friendly results for many types of common dental procedures and compared to those achieved with traditional instruments. Biolase has now sold over 36,200 laser systems to date in over 90 countries in the world. So let's take a look at the actual products that they have available and what these lasers actually do. So we have the all-tissue laser and we have the soft tissue laser. So let's have a look at the all-tissue laser. The all-tissue laser, the world's most used all-tissue laser, trusted for innovation and quality. Waterlase offers practice-changing, patient-pleasing all-tissue laser dentistry. Enjoy 80+ minimally invasive procedures preferred by patients and a clear path to profitability. And let's take a look at their other product that they've got, the soft tissue laser. Equip your practice with the award-winning Epic soft tissue laser for better soft tissue control, less bleeding and more. So I don't want to dive in too much detail and read everything about them, but that's kind of the overview of the products. They're basically swapping the traditional tools, like the little picky things that dentists use, and they're using mad lasers now, which is super cool, and obviously it's really innovative, and they've sold 36,000 in 90 countries, which is really great news, and it seems like they're on the path to kind of grow. So just taking a look at Biolase's actual charts, we'll go on the 5 days chart on Yahoo Finance. So at the moment, you've got a market cap of 170 million. Their 52-week range is 21 cents to $1.51. So you're kind of starting in the week, they were sat at about $1. They touch highs of about 118. And then they had a massive jump from 110 to 123. Kind of rode that for about a day. And now they've shot up again to 135, highs of 139. Got a high there as well. Got highs of 141 as well, and they dip back down before the close. And they're opening the market here. We can see that before hours, they're already up to 146 on the pre-market, which is again a new high. Yeah, they've touched 151, but that's just a resistant line for them that I honestly believe they're gonna break through, which you'll see in my price prediction at the end of the video. What I like to do is, before investing in a company, I like to look at who's actually holding their stocks and who's actually invested in them. This kind of gives me a good indication if big corporations and big companies are backing them. So just looking here, we've got the top institutional holders. Just go through a few of them. Oracle Investment Management, they've got 1,739 shares. Ones that stand out to me is obviously Perkins Capital Management Incorporated and the Vanguard Group, and they're holding 700,000 shares. It seems like they've actually got quite a few people actually holding these shares. If we break it down into the actual major holders of the stocks, we've got 11% held by all insiders, 12% held by institutions, and then we've got 13.49% of float held by institutions. So the first bit of evidence, this is kind of what I like to look at in companies, if they have a particular offering or someone like a private investors who have actually purchased a large amount. This typically is a good thing because they're guaranteeing to these people, look, if you invest this much into us, we're going to grow the company. They've just announced that they had a pricing of $14.4 million bought offering, and this goes break into the detail of the actual article. The global leaders in dental lasers today announced that it's entered into an underwriting agreement with the Maxim Corp Group LLC with the underwriters, and have agreed to purchase on a firm commitment basis 14 million shares of common stock of the company at a price to the public of $1.03 per share, less underwriting discounts and commissions. The gross proceeds from the offering are expected to be approximately $14.4 million before deducting underwriting discounts and commission estimate offering expenses. They bought 14 million shares at $1.03. Effectively what the company's saying, look, you invest in us at this price, we guarantee to be more than that. We're guaranteeing to make you profit, otherwise these investors won't invest, right? It's actually really good news, and obviously they get the kind of expenditure income, so they will take the $14.4 million and they will invest it into their company. They're already making sales, they've already got some really good links, and obviously you'll see it all kind of come together with the more evidence we have in the video. On this next piece, on the official website of Biolase, and they have like a little investor part where they put out investor and stock news. What they've done is announced an agreement with Dental Care Alliance to expand their laser adoption in kind of all of the dental kind of industry, and they want to roll it out kind of even bigger and go even harder with what they're doing already. So just looking at this article, Biolase Incorporated, the global leader in dental lasers, announced an agreement with Dental Care Alliance, one of the largest dental support organizations in the United States with more than 330 affiliated practices in 20 states, to expand their laser adoption and hands-on training programs in targeted geographies. The company expects the agreement to lead a rollout across the DCA offices in 2021. What the Chief Clinical Officer of the Dental Care Alliance has actually came out and said, here's a quote in the article: "We believe the adoption of this leading technology in our offices will provide a new standard of care for our hygiene appointments while ensuring a safer environment by reducing aerosolization and addressing early stage periodontal disease. We're excited about the prospect of providing aerosol-free, less invasive soft tissue procedures, thereby creating a superior patient experience." And we dive into the little bit at the bottom of the article. It actually breaks down what Dental Care Alliance is. So Dental Care Alliance, founded in 1991, DCA is one of the largest multi-branded dental support organizations in the US with more than 330 affiliated practices in 20 states. DCA affiliated practices provide patients with a wide range of dental services, including general dentistry, endodontics, oral surgery, orthodontics, pediatric dentistry, periodontics. DCA provides dentists with clinical autonomy, career satisfaction, and growth opportunities by reducing day-to-day administrative responsibilities so they can focus on providing best clinical care to each patient. What this kind of says to me and screams to me is like this big corporation, you know, got 330 practices, and in the dental industry, profits are there. They make a lot of money. Everyone has to look after their teeth. This is an industry that's not going away, an industry that's super safe. They're actually saying to them, look, let's do an agreement, let's have an alliance. We want all your laser technology in our companies and we want to roll it out completely. If that doesn't scream to you that this company has, you know, a potential long-term hold and a potential future, then I don't know. Like, this is just a penny stock at the moment as well, and it is growing astronomically, and it's a product that I personally could get really behind. The final piece of evidence is actually an article by Yahoo Finance, and they've actually gone ahead and listed the top 10 dental stocks to buy this year, and Biol is actually number 8, right? That is actually insane. Like, loads of dental stocks, there's hundreds of different dental stocks out there. This is number 8 out of 10, and look at the price right now. Here, Biolase is at number 8. So the total value of the hedge fund holdings is $159,000. Biol ranks 8th in our list in the best dental stocks to buy now. The top hedge fund holders of this stock is High Mint Sabi Cap, which had $92,000 invested in this stock at the end of September. Biol is the world-leading innovator in dental lasers. They recently announced an agreement with DSL Dental Care Alliance and their laser adoption in dental offices across the United States. Todd Norb, Biolase president and CEO, is confident that they will properly service the DCA. So the actual CEO's come out and said, like, we're going to do them nicely. I'm going to open up my Trading 212 app and I'm just going to have a look at their financials. So financial summary for Biolase. For 6 months ended 30th of June 2020, Biolase Inc. revenue decreased by 59% to $7.7 million. Net loss increased 22% to $10.7 million. Revenue reflects the laser system segment decrease of 78% to $1.1 million. Consumables and other segment decrease of 59% to $862,000. United States segment decreases of 10%, $5.3 million. International segment decrease of 13% to $2.4 million. Higher net loss reflects the interest expense of 20% to $1.2 million. So at the moment, their net income is negative $17.86 million from 2019. So they're actually not in profit at the moment. Trading 212 was waiting to update the kind of 2020 sales, put some estimates out for 2021. But when we received the 2020 data, I think, you know, them saying they've sold 36,000 units of their laser system and they've just had the Dental Care Alliance partnership. I think, you know, this can definitely boost it up. And it's a company that, guys, they aren't making profit yet. Imagine when they are. This product could be big. It could be massive. Imagine when they are making profit, the kind of numbers we'll be looking at. What I like to do is look at the balance sheet, the assets to liabilities ratio. If the assets are higher, that's usually a bit of a safer stock, because if they were to ever go under or go bust, you know, they could sell all their assets. So their assets are $31.85 million compared to their liability to $27.5 million, and their debt to asset ratio is 86.37%. Overall, guys, I think this is a super strong company, especially in the dental sector. You know, we've got a lot of hedge funds, a lot of big corporations holding this, so they won't be holding it for no reason. It's ranked number 8 on the hedge funds holder list for dental stocks, which is really, really good news for us. Is this a good price to buy in now? Absolutely. I've got a holding at $1.25 I got in, and it's absolutely skyrocketed. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give a price prediction short term and long term. My short term prediction within the next month, I think it'll be sat at about $2.50 with all this good news rolling out, especially if they release some of their 2020 finances. My long term prediction, I think we can see this anywhere from sort of $2.50 to $10 within like the sort of year. I think that's completely possible from them. You know, some of their competition are sat at like $40, and the whole dental industry as a whole is super profitable. And the fact that this technology isn't available, big companies and corporations are backing them. I mean, why not? The sky's the limit with this stock. So I'm gonna hold this for my personal self. I'm gonna hold this as a swing trade. I'm gonna swing it to make a bit of profit, and I'm going to move on. So I just want to be open and transparent to you guys. I'll let you know when I sell, probably in an updated video. I think even for a long-term hold, I can see this being added to my portfolio. If you did enjoy this video, please drop a like. If you've got any kind of information on this company or questions, drop it in the comments down below. I'm always active and replying. See you on the next video. Peace.